The Anti-Corruption Commission has intercepted and seized 47 trucks laden with mukula tree logs en route to a neighboring Namibia and Zimbabwe with unknown final destinations. 24 trucks were intercepted in Mongo on 22nd October 2021 en route to Walvis Bay, Namibia, while 23 trucks were intercepted in Chirundu on 27th October en route to Zimbabwe through Chirundu border. The 47 trucks were found to have no required documentation to transport the mukula logs. The mukula, which was being ferried by trucks belonging to ACK General Suppliers, was seized by the Commission together with the trucks in accordance with Section 58 of the Anti-Corruption Act No. 3 of 2012. Investigations into the illegal harvesting and transportation of mukula by some suspected politically exposed persons are still going on.